In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record with internal computer audio on a Windows PC. Plus, you'll learn a few bonus tips that can really elevate the quality of your videos. Just make sure you watch to the very end so you don't miss anything. Let's go. Luckily, Microsoft has made this process pretty painless, unlike some other things that they're known for. So let's jump on the computer and dive right in. To screen record, just press the shortcut Windows-Shift-R on your keyboard. That will open up the snipping tool, which you already have installed on your Windows PC. At the top, you can see we have a few options here. The first one is for doing a screenshot, and the second is to screen record, so just make sure that second one is selected. Then just click and drag to select the region you want to record. I'll select the whole screen. Before we start, we can set up the audio by clicking this microphone icon, and here you can select any connected microphone. By default, the option to capture your internal computer audio is switched on, but you can turn that off if you'd like by clicking this icon here. We'll leave it on for this tutorial so we can capture the system audio. So when you're ready to record, just click Start. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, and then it'll start recording. So now we're recording, and I'll just pull up a video from my channel as an example and hit play.
I'm gonna share with you 10 of the absolute best free tools you can use to create videos for YouTube. By the end of this video,
All right, to stop, just click the stop button at the top here, and then from here, it'll open up your recording in a new window. If you want, you can click trim to trim off the beginning and end if you'd like. And for even more advanced editing, you can even open your recording in Clipchamp, which is a simple video editor that comes with Windows. But we'll just keep this as is. When you're done, just click the disk icon to save, and I'll just save to my desktop for now. And now when I double click to open this video, boom, there we go. Here's our screen recording with internal computer audio.
Free tools you can use to create videos for YouTube.
By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get more valuable content like this. Quick note, if you have HDR turned on for your monitor, you'll need to turn that off in display settings first, or the recording will end up looking super washed out. Now on Windows 10, you might not actually have the snipping tool available. In that case, you can try pressing Windows-Alt-R to start a recording using the Xbox game bar instead. But on some computers, that still might not work. In my opinion, the best option on Windows 10 is to download, install, and use OBS Studio, which is a completely free screen recording program. And there's a link below for how to do that. And it's actually what I used to screen record myself screen recording this video. Now you may have noticed in this video that my clicks are highlighted in yellow. And this is really handy if you want the viewer to easily see where you're clicking with your pointer. So to enable this and show your clicks on a PC, just open up the Microsoft Store and then search for PowerToys, all one word, and then click Microsoft PowerToys and install it. It's completely free. Once installed, just open up PowerToys, and then on the left, you can open Input Output and then Mouse Utilities. Scroll down to Mouse Highlighter and make sure it's switched on. Now from here, there should be a shortcut configured that allows you to turn on highlighting for your clicks. So I'll just press Windows-Shift-H, and now you can see my clicks are being highlighted. However, the behavior is a little weird by default. You can see the dots stay on the screen for way too long, and they're kind of small, but we can easily fix that. Just expand appearance and behavior and change the fade delay from 500 milliseconds, which is half a second, to 0, which is instant. Press enter to commit the change. And if you want the size of the dot to be a little bigger, you can just configure the radius here. I'll change this from 20 pixels to 40 pixels, so twice as big, and press enter. And now you can see that the dots are a lot bigger and that they don't linger on the screen for too long. I think this setup looks perfect. If you're using your screen recording to make videos out of, I want to share with you 2 resources that can really up the quality of your videos. Firstly, if you need any sort of stock media for your videos, you'll definitely want to check out Envato Elements. They have millions of stock videos and photos, tons of music, sound effects, and even templates for your video editing software, so you can add titles and transitions and all sorts of cool things to your videos. They even have baked-in support for generative AI, so you can generate images, videos, music, and even voiceover generation, so you don't even need to narrate your own videos if you don't want to. And this is all included in a super low monthly subscription, which also includes unlimited downloads. Just click the link below for the best monthly rate. But yeah, I use Envato Elements for all my videos. It's just so convenient, and it's one of the best prices around for a ton of value, so I highly recommend you check it out. And secondly, if you'd like a huge list of free resources for making YouTube videos, then check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this next video.